The No Remote Detected error on your 2013-2019 Cadillac XTS means the car isn't recognizing your key fob, often due to a dead battery, fob damage, or vehicle system issues. First, use the mechanical key hidden inside your fob to unlock the door. Then, try starting the car by holding the fob close to the start button and pressing the button. The car's system might then recognize the fob's presence, even with a weak signal. Keep in mind, this is a temporary workaround. If the basic bypass doesn't work, the fob battery is likely dead. Replace the CR232 battery in your key fob. If problems persist after battery replacement, it could be a faulty body control module or a damaged key fob. Consider aftermarket solutions like smartphone apps or OBD2 adapters for remote start and unlock. These alternatives may void warranties. For a permanent fix, get a replacement fob from a GM dealer for $200 to $400. Remember, bypassing is temporary. Consult a certified mechanic for lasting reliability and security.